Hello everyone. Now I am going to start mock test. तो मेरे आंसर बताने से पहले ही तुम कोशिश करना कि खुद से आंसर कर पाओ और अगर सही होता है तो अपने आप को 1 मार्क्स दे देना और अगर नहीं होता है तो ज़ीरो। एक कॉपी उठा लो और एक पेन और अपने मार्क्स नोट डाउन करो और जैसे कि आखिरी क्वेश्चन के बाद तुम्हारा टोटल मार्क्स कितना होता है वो मुझे ज़रूर इन्फॉर्म करना कमेंट सेक्शन में। लेट्स स्टार्ट। Features of a partnership firm are: answer option D, all of the above. Option A, two or more persons are carrying common business under an agreement. Option B, they are sharing profits and losses in the fixed ratio. Option C, business is carried by all or any of them acting or all as an agent. These all are the answers. Okay, so next, ostensible partners are those who: answer option C, do not contribute any capital and without having any interest in the business, lend their name to the business. Next, when only partner's capital account is maintained, all the adjustments are made. Answer option A, partner's capital accounts. Next question. The persons who have entered into partnership are individually known as: option A, partners. Which one of the following is not an essential feature of a partnership? Answer option D. The business must be carried on by all the partners. Next question. In the absence of partnership deed, partners share profits or losses. Answer option C, equally. Next, select the best alternate answers. Number 1. Features or characteristics of partnership. The next, features of a partnership firm are: answer D, all of the above. Next, देखो मैं बहुत ही तेज़ी से जा रहा हूँ ताकि कम से कम समय में हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस कवर कर पाए। लेकिन अगर तुम्हें अपने आप को एनालिसिस करना है तो जैसे ही मैं एक क्वेश्चन पढ़ता हूँ तो वीडियो को पॉज कर लिया करो, देन ऑप्शंस को अच्छे तरीके से देख के खुद से आंसर किया करो, उसके बाद फिर से वीडियो को प्ले करो और देन मेरे तरफ से तो मैं आंसर बता ही रहा हूँ, मैच कर लो सही हुआ है कि गलत। इस तरह तुम अपने आप को जज कर सकते हो, देख सकते हो कि अगर एग्ज़ाम में क्वेश्चन आता है कि तुम आंसर कर पाते हो कि नहीं कर पाते हो। ओके, चलो फिर से कंटिन्यू करते हैं। इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ एग्रीमेंट, पार्टनर्स आर नॉट एंटाइटल्ड टू: option D, both A and B, means salary and commission. Next, in case of partnership, the act of any partner is: answer option A, binding on all partners. Next, A and B are partners in a partnership firm without any agreement. A devotes more time for the firm as compared to B. A will get the following commission in addition to profit in the firm's profit. Option D, none of the above. Is rent paid to a partner appropriation of profits? Option B, it is not appropriation of profit. What should be the minimum number of persons to form a partnership? Option A, 2. Which one of the following is not an essential feature of a partnership? Answer option D, the business must be carried on by all the partners. Next, if any loan or advance is provided by the partner, then balance of such loan account should be transferred to: answer option B, balance sheet liability side. B oblique S means balance sheet. Okay, so next question. वाओ, ये बहुत ही बड़ा है तो कोशिश करना अच्छे तरीके से समझ पाओ, देन आंसर करना। A, B and C were partners with capitals of rupees 50,000, 40,000 and rupees 30,000 respectively, carrying on business in partnership. The firm's reported profit for the year was rupees 80,000. As per provision of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, find out the share of each partner in the above amount after taking into account that no interest has been provided on an advance by A of rupees 20,000 in addition to his capital contribution. पहली बात, यहाँ पर कोई रेशियो गिवन नहीं है, ठीक है। और यहाँ पर बोला गया है एज पर द प्रोविजन ऑफ द IPA मीन्स इंडियन पार्टनरशिप एक्ट 1932। तो समझ के आंसर करो। जैसे कि ये रैपिड फायर है तो मैं एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं कर रहा हूँ ताकि टाइम वेस्ट ना हो, ठीक है। चलो मैं आंसर बताता हूँ। आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, ₹26,267 for partner B and C, and ₹27,466 for partner A. Next question. Liability of partner is option B, unlimited. Next, X, Y, and Z are partners in a firm. At the time of division of profit for the year, there was dispute between the partners. Profit before interest on partners' capital was 6 lakh, and Z demanded minimum profit of rupees 5 lakh as his financial position was not good. However, there was no written agreement on this point. Option D, rupees 2 lakh to each of the partners. जैसे कि यहाँ पर भी बताया गया है कि कितना है, 6 लाख को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है 3 पार्टनर्स के बीच, और यहाँ पर कोई भी एग्रीमेंट या फिर यहाँ पर लास्ट लाइन में लिखा ना हाउएवर देयर वाज नो रिटन एग्रीमेंट ऑन दिस पॉइंट, यानी कि इन लोगों ने पार्टनरशिप डीड नहीं किया था। और अगर पार्टनरशिप में अगर तुम पार्टनरशिप डीड नहीं करते हो देन अकॉर्डिंग टू द IPA 1932 जो भी अमाउंट होगा वो इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाएगा। सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न द आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, ₹2 लाख टू ईच ऑफ द पार्टनर्स। देखो मैं फिर से एक्सप्लेनेशन करने लग गया। चलो चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। नेक्स्ट, a partner introduced additional capital of rupees 30,000 and advanced a loan of rupees 40,000 to the firm at the beginning of the year. Partner will receive year's interest. Answer option B, rupees 2,400. Next, which of the following statement is true? देख लो एक बार सभी से अच्छे से। हाँ, तो फिर आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, ए माइनर कैन बी एडमिटेड as a partner only into the benefits of the partnership. Next, in the absence of express agreement, interest at the rate 6% per annum is provided. Option C, on loan given by partners to the firm. Next, which one of the following items cannot be recorded in the profit and loss appropriation account? Answer, rent paid to partners. Next, number of partners in a partnership firm may be. Answer option D, maximum 50. Next, which of the following items are recorded in the profit and loss appropriation account of a partnership firm? Answer option D, all of the above. Means interest on capital, salary to partner, transfer to reserve. Next, X, Y, and Z are partners in a firm. At the time of division of profit for the year, there was dispute between the partners. Profit before interest on partners' capital was rupees 6,000 and Y determined interest at the rate 24% per annum on his loan of rupees 80,000. There was no agreement on this point. Calculate the amount payable to X, Y, and Z respectively. Now answer is option C, rupees 400 for A and rupees 5,200 for land and rupees 400 for Z. Rupees 5,200. Okay, next. Interest on capital will be paid to the partners if provided for in the partnership deed, but only out of option A profits. Goodwill is a intangible asset. Next, when is the Partnership Act enforced? When there is no partnership deed. Option A. The agreement of partnership may be option C, both A and B, means oral and written. Next, interest on capital will be paid to the partners if provided for in the partnership deed, but only out of option A profits. Next, partners' current accounts are opened when their capital accounts are option A fixed. Next, X, Y, and Z are partners in a firm. At the time of division of profit for the year, there was dispute between the partners. Profit before interest on partners' capital was rupees 6,000 and Y determined interest at the rate 24% per annum on his loan of rupees 80,000. There was no agreement on this point. Calculate the amount payable to X, Y, and Z respectively. So the answer is option C, rupees 400 for A, rupees 5,200 for land and rupees 400 for Z. ये क्वेश्चन 2 बार रिपीट हो चुका है ना, चलो कोई बात नहीं. Next, on 1st January 2019, a partner advanced a loan of rupees 1 lakh to the firm. In the absence of agreement, interest on loan on 31st March 2019 will be ऑप्शन बी रुपीज़ 1500. देखो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पर डिस्कशन किए जा रहे हैं, इनमें से कुछ कुछ शायद तुम्हें जल्द से जल्द समझ में ना आए. ठीक है, कोई भी क्वेश्चन लेके कन्फ्यूजन हो सकता है, लेकिन 1 या 2 क्वेश्चन के चक्कर में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टाइम अभी बर्बाद मत करना, क्योंकि अभी हाथ में ज़्यादा समय नहीं है. तो 1-2 क्वेश्चन जो भी कन्फ्यूजन क्रिएट कर रहे हैं उनको अवॉइड करो और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस अपने स्टॉक में लाओ ताकि एग्ज़ाम अच्छा हो. ठीक है, क्योंकि अभी इतना समय है नहीं कि तुम किसी क्वेश्चन पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा समय दे पाओ. नेक्स्ट, intangible assets means goodwill has been defined in accounting standard 26. Accounting standard 26. Next question. A, B, and C are partners. A's capital is rupees 3 lakh and B's capital is rupees 1 lakh. C has not invested any amount as capital, but he alone manages the whole business. C wants rupees 30,000 per annum as salary. Firm earned a profit of rupees 1,50,000. How much will be each partner's share of profit? Option D, A rupees 50,000 and B rupees 50,000 and C also rupees 50,000. Next, Sita and Geeta are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 4:1. Meeta was manager who received the salary of rupees 4,000 per annum, in addition to a commission of 5% on net profits. After charging such commission, profit for the year is rupees 6,78,000 before charging salary. Find the total remuneration of Meeta. So the answer is rupees 78,000. Rupees 78,000. Next, if the partner's capital accounts are fixed, salary payable to partner will be recorded. Option C, on the credit side of partner's current account. Interest on partner's drawings will be debited to option C, partner's current account. Where will you record interest on drawings? Option B, credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Next, if a fixed amount is withdrawn by a partner in the middle of every month, interest on the total amount is charged for dash months. Option A, 6 months. Next, if a fixed amount is withdrawn by a partner in each quarter, interest on the total amount is charged for dash months. Option B, 6 months. Next, Charulata is a partner in a firm. She withdrew rupees 10,000 in each quarter during the year ended 31st March 2019. And the rest on her drawings at the rate of 9% per annum will be option D rupees 1,800. Next, in the absence In the absence of express agreement, interest at the rate 6% per annum is provided. Answer option C on loan given by partners to the firm. Next question. A and B are partners. According to profit and loss account, the net profit for the year is rupees 2 lakh. The total interest on partners' drawings is rupees 1000. A salary is rupees 40,000 per year and B's salary is rupees 3000 per month. The net profit as per profit and loss abbreviation account will be rupees 1,25,000. That means option B. Next, some fill in the blanks we will discuss right now. So, the maximum number of partners allowed in a partnership firm are आंसर 50. ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ी देर पहले ही हमने एमसीक्यू में डिस्कस किया था, राइट? Next, A, B, and C decided that interest on capital will be provided to each partner at the rate 5% per annum, but after 1 year, C wants that no interest on capital is to be provided to any partner. State how C can do this. Answer: C can do this only if partnership deed is silent for this. Next, the minimum number of partners allowed to open a partnership firm are dash. Answer 2. Next, one word or sentence answers. 6 friends started a partnership business by investing rupees 2 lakh each. They decided to share profits equally. Name the terms by which they will be called individually and collectively. Answer: individually partners half, collectively is to firm half. Next, name the method of calculating interest on drawings of the partner if different amount are withdrawn on different dates. Answer: product method. Next, Ritesh and Hitesh are childhood friends. Ritesh is a consultant whereas Hitesh is an architect. They contributed equal amounts and purchased a building for 2 crores. After a year, they sold it for 3 crores and shared the profits equally. Are they doing the business in partnership? Give reasons in support of your answer. No, they are not involved in doing sale and purchase of land or plot on a regular basis. Next, give the average period in months for charging interest on drawings for the same amount withdrawn in the beginning of each quarter. Answer: 7.5 months. Durga and Naresh were partners in a firm. They wanted to admit 5 more members in the firm. State any one category of individuals other than minors who cannot be admitted by them. Answer: persons of unsound mind or lunatics. Super profit is equal to answer: actual average profit minus normal profit. A group of 40